Yes, students, today we'll do the question number 4 of exercise 14.1, and that question will do, we have to find the arithmetic mean by the step deviation method. You know that already the three methods are there: direct method and the shortcut method. Shortcut method name, another name is the assuming method, and step deviation method. So this question will do by the step deviation method. So whatever the informations are given in the question number 4, on the basis of that I am making the columns. Number of heartbeats per minute. Number of heartbeats per minute. Okay. Then after it is frequency is given. We need here to solve that class mark. Class mark we are defining with the what? Small x. And next will be there frequency, means ki number of women, and then our column will be there d. D equal to what? X minus a. D equal to x minus a, and then after we find the u equal to x minus a upon h. X minus a upon h, where h is the width of the class. Okay, and then sigma fu. Then we'll take the what in the last column, that will be sigma fu ui, f and u, fu. Now make this column. Now number of beats per minute, write down. Here h width of the class, you will see the lower limit and upper limit difference is there 3. So 3 difference is there. H equal to what? That will be 3. Write down h equal to 3. And a, what will take the a, that you will see later on. Now number of heartbeats, that is 65 to 68, and next is there 68 to 71 and 71 to 74. This is the continuous series. And the 74 to 77, 77 to 80, 80 to 83, 83 to 86. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Class mark will be what? Addition of this and divide by 2. So that will come 66.5. Okay. This will be 69.5. This will be 72.5. This will be 75.5. If you add both and divide by 2, then it will come. Okay. And this will be 78.5. This will be 81.5. And this will be 84. Okay. If you add both and divide by 2, so this information will get it. Now in that any one we can take the what, that is as the what, d as the assumed mean. The assumed mean here we are taking as the what, 75.5. We are taking this one as the assumed mean, 75.5. A equal to 75.5. So number of women, we can take the any assuming method. Assuming we have taken the 75.5. So number of women 2, then there is the 4, then this is 3, this is 8, and this is 7, and this is 4, and this is 2. This information is given in the book 2438 742. Now the d equal to x minus a. So d we have to find to x minus a. So what is the x? 60.5 minus a means 75.5. If we subtract it, it is coming minus 9. Okay. And then after next is there 69 में 75 that will be what, minus 6, and this 72 that will be minus 3, and this will be what, 0. 75 minus 5.5 minus 75, this will be 3, and this will be 6. 81 minus 75, that will be 6, and that will be 9. You will see, if you add all minus 3 and 6, and then it is coming 0. Okay, whenever the question you will solve, then this information you will get the addition of this will be 0. Now u equal to x minus a upon h. So this is the x minus a, h is what, 3. If minus 3 divided by 3, it will come minus 3, and this will come minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you can calculate it. X minus a, so x minus a is this, minus 9 divided by 3, minus 3, and 9 by 3 will what, 3. It is same. Now f into u. F is the frequency column is here. Number of women is what, that is the frequency. F into u. So 2 into minus 3 what, minus 6. 4 into minus 2 minus 8. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. 8 into 0 0. 7 into 1 7. 4 into 2 8. And 2 into 3 6. Now all you'll add. So a minus 8 minus 6 minus 14 minus 17. And addition is there, 8 and 15 6 21. Okay, so plus 21. So here the positive is greater, so what is the coming? That is coming 4. So this name is there, sigma fu. Sigma fu. Sigma means sum of this column. That is what? That is the 4. So sigma fu is what? That is the 4. Now we'll write down the formula to get that. Mean, arithmetic mean. Mean we are denoting like this way. Mean equals a plus sigma fu upon sigma f. A is what there, 75.5, and sigma fu is, that is what, that is the 4. Positive was greater, therefore 4, and divide by sigma f. So sigma f is what there, the total number it is given there, not to, you will calculate it. 4 2 6 3 9 9 17 17 7 24 28 30. So sigma f is what, that is 30. Means addition of this column is what, that is the 30. Okay. Now divide by 4 by 30. So this will come 75.5 and plus 4 by 30. So this will be 4 by 30. 30 1 is 30. It is coming 0.13 like this. 0.13 something it will come. Then we can add it, 75.5 plus 0.13, this will come 75.66. That is your answer. 75.66. Achha, here the one thing we are missing, that is the 3. Sigma fu into h is there. So h will be there, so then it will be, do the correction here. One thing we have missed in the formula, into h is also there. H means width of the glass. So 3 10s are 30. Then 4 by 10. So 4 by 10 will be what? 0.4. This answer will be 75.9. Now this is correct. So 75.9 is the mean. That is the answer. To find the mean heartbeats, so mean heartbeats are 75.9. Mean heartbeats equals 75.9. This is your answer. So here you will see that student the step division method, the formula is there, a plus sigma fu upon sigma f into h. Sigma f you will find out and sigma fu. And this question when we'll do, when the what numbers are big, that time easily we can find out. You will see the properly. Okay students, thank you.